Hello, guys. I hope you all are doing very well and doing very great things in your life. And I hope that you are also learning at least one thing per day. So, my name is Sahil Patel. I am a full time student at Humber College. I am doing my post graduation diploma from Humber College. I have done my bachelor's back in India, and I have been doing full stack development since 1.5 years. I have made around a lot of around 70 projects using various technology like React, Angular, some projects with Node as well. I have done project with the Python too. So today I am welcoming you all in this whole new series called Master Your CSS Fundamental by making 15 projects. Throughout this course, we are gonna make 15 projects using CSS, which is gonna start from very basic and small project, and at the end of the project, you are gonna make one portfolio website which you can show to your recruiter that you did this project with the help of HTML, CSS, and some little amount of JavaScript to just navigate your photos like the scrolling and all those things. So don't worry, I'll make you that confident at the end of the course that you will write your CSS like a pro and make any projects using CSS. So let's not waste our time and let's jump into our first project. So today this is our first project. Like, see, we are gonna make one egg which has a nice gradient color, two eyes, one mouth, and two hands and legs as well. And I'm gonna make this egg very fancy too by adding that red ribbon, that which you can see right over here. And you can write your name. I just write my name, so you can write your name to it. You can write your name over there too. So for that purpose, I have just created my HTML and CSS file over here. So I'm gonna write basic HTML in this file like HTML. Then I also want to give this project title as CSS egg YouTube, so I can understand which one is my final project and which is gonna right I'm gonna work. So then I want to link my CSS. So for that purpose, I'll write the code. Link my CSS over here. Make sure that you write the same name that you have created your CSS file. And then I'm gonna write a body, which is we are gonna cover like this egg with the hands and with the legs and all those things. So for that purpose, I will write one one container which is gonna contain our whole project right now. And then I will write one more div with the class of egg body, which is only gonna cover my egg and hands, my egg, hands, two eyes, mouth, one mouth, and a ribbon. And then I want to give a ribbon like this Sahil code. Then for that purpose, I will write one more div which has a class of ribbon, and I will write my name Sahil Patel. I write a different name from my final project, so we can know that we can know that which file that we are right now working. And then I will write the, I and then I will run this project open with live server. So this is my project right now that I am right now working, and this is my final point endpoint. and then we will create. I will write one more div with the eyes and mouth. So and then this egg has two eyes. So for that purpose, I will sorry. I will write one more div for two eyes, and then we are gonna create a div for mouth, and then we are gonna create div for both arms. First one is my one arm, left arm, and the second one is gonna be my right arm. We'll create legs after that. We'll create legs after. First of all, I want to create whole eyes, mouth, and arms, and then we are gonna jump into the legs. Then, for the CSS purpose, let's go and write our CSS. We are gonna target our egg body. This container over here. So I want to give a z index like 50,000 or something to make sure that this container stays on the top of each and everything. Then I will write display block for this purpose. Then I want to give this egg as a height of 250 pixel, width of 150 pixel. Then I don't want any overflow, so I'm just gonna write hidden. And then I also want a background image like the which we has a nice gradient color in this project, like this the orange is nice gradient color. So I just want a nice background image, nice gradient background image. So for that purpose I'll write background image, and I want to give a radial gradient with 30 percentage and 30 percentage, and the color for that one is like FFD8B0. Then another one FFDB, or sorry, F78A1D and F78A1D. Also F78A1D. And okay, so now we have that nice gradient color, and I also want to make it in the shape of egg, so I will just give a border radius. Border radius of 75 pixel. Sorry, 5 pixel. And 20 pixel and 80 pixel. So now it looks like an egg, and then I'll just give a position relative, and that's it for our egg body right now. And then we will create this ribbon first. Then for that purpose I will just grab a class from my HTML file, write CSS for that purpose. So I want text align to be center. Then display block. Then I want to give width of 100 percentage. Then margin top of 35 pixel, and I'll just give a background which is we are gonna give a linear gradient. I want to give a radiant color from left to right. So for that purpose, I just write two right and then give three colors so I can have a very nice background color right over there. So for that purpose, write F0. These are my three colors that I'm gonna use for my gradient, and another one is F0. So once I will save it, and text align is center, display block width of 100 percentage. Oh, I just forgot to give a height is gonna be my 20 pixel. So yeah, text align center, display block width of 100 percentage, height margin to top, background image is linear gradient to right. So yeah, so right now I have a nice gradient color with my name over there, and then that's it for my ribbon, and then I will target that. Then I have my eyes and mouth leaves. I'm gonna target eyes and mouth, and then I just want to give display box width of 100 percentage for eyes and mouth. I want margin top, which is gonna be my 20 pixel, and text align to be center. Yeah, so then I have my, I guess, I container ID. So now we are gonna create two eyes. For that purpose, I will write display inline block. Then I want width of 18 pixel, height of 26 pixel. Then of course I want text align to be center, not left. Background color, which is white, like we have in this one, like background color is a white, and then I'll give a border radius, sorry, border radius 9 pixel, 9 pixel, 9 pixel, 9 pixel, and 13 pixel. And then I also want to give my position relatives, sorry, and then I want margin top 20 pixel. So now I have a nice little eyes, two eyes from the from the margin from the which has a margin from top as a 20 pixel. So then I will create those black dots inside the eyes. For that purpose, like I will use pseudo element called after, and then I will not write any content, so just gonna leave it empty. Then I will write a display inline block, and which has a width of 12 pixel, height of 16 pixel, which has a background color of black. Then I also want to give a margin from top to 7 pixel, and then I will just give a border radius. So for that purpose, to make 6 pixel, 6 pixel, pixel, 8 pixel, 8 pixel, and I also will give position relative. So that's it, that my eyes are right over there. Then I will create a mouth. Okay, so then we will do, no, not that. Yeah, so my eyes are done. Now I have a mouth. So for that mouth, I will write a display block, margin auto. So which is, I will write the margin auto, so which is gonna take a margin from each and every side equally. So we'll make sure that our mouth is centered to the egg. And then I want to give a width of 25 pixel and height of 25 pixel. Sorry. Then I want my margin top to 10 pixel. Then border radius, I want 15 pixel, and I also want background color to be black. So not hashtag black, just only black. So now I have my mouse too. Then what's next? Next, I think left arm. Yeah, for that purpose, left arm. Okay, then I want this one as display block. Position to be absolute. Then I want these things from bottom to 30 pixel, left to 20 pixel. I want to give a height and width. Just give me a second. Width of 40 pixel and height is also 40 pixel. Then I will give a border which is gonna be my 5 pixels solid and black. I'm gonna use hash color for that one. I don't want any border for the top, so for that purpose I will write none. So I'm gonna make one like a square. Okay, we will cancel these things first. Then right now it is a square right now, and I just want this side and this side. So for that purpose, I will just need the left and the bottom. I don't need top and right. And then with the use of transform property, we are just gonna rotate that hand to that look like triangle, something like triangle shape. So for that purpose, I don't need border top, right? So none, then border right, none. So right now I have a hand like this, and I will just transfer that hand. And I also want to give border radius for that purpose. So then for that purpose, let's do it. Border radius like a 5 pixel will be enough. Yeah, so now it looks like a hand, right? And then I will use transform property. I will need a rotate Z, and let's give angle of 45 degree. Oh, it's too much. Let's give 30. Now I think it looks like a project. Yeah, and then I will need the same thing in right arm. But yeah, right arm. I think I'm gonna need same thing in right arm, but I don't want a border for the bottom and left. Like I don't not need a border for the left arm for the top and right. So I'll just copy this code and paste it over here. And I don't want sorry border bottom and border left. So right now it's good. Border block, display block, the output left. So uh, I'm gonna do it like right. So now it's good, and right width is 40, height 40 is good, border is good. Okay, and for to look like a real hand, I'll give a 60 degree, I guess. Yeah, so now it's good. To create a like little dots over here, we will use again pseudo element for the pseudo element. Okay, then I will write left arm after property. I don't want any content right now. Then this place should be block. I will write position to be absolute. Then bottom. I want these things from bottom like minus 10 pixel. Then right to 0. Width of 15 pixel. Also height of 15 pixel, and border radius and the background color. Mhm. Okay, radius is 15 pixel, which is gonna be my good. And at the last background color, let's do CCCC, not the CCC 000. So that's going to be my hand, and same for my right arm. Mhm. Then content is nothing. Display should be block. Position should be absolute, not the absolute. I want this from bottom 10 minus 10 pixel. So, okay, right is also minus 40. And width and height of 15 pixel. And I also want to give a border radius of 15 pixel and background color of 0 0. So now our hands are done, legs are done. So all from this project, all I need to do is just design hands legs over here. For that purpose, we are using the same thing that we have used for the hand. We will you make the use of border, and then we will not. Then we will hide that border left and border top. So that's it. So first of all, I will create the legs over here. Okay, for that purpose, I will give class and then I will create two leg, not this type. Division of leg, start two. That's it. Hmm. So that's it for my HTML part for the CSS. Let's target our legs and then our leg. Okay, let's do it. And first of all, let me do it like this so you can know. So display box. I want to width to be 150 pixel and text align to be center, and then we will target our leg. So both legs are gonna be the same one, so I will not target each and everything. So both leg is gonna be my same. So that one is play box width of 20 pixel, height of 50 pixel, and then board I will give a border of 5 pixel solid with the black color, not with the black color. So now you can see that we have created our square, and then I will hide. I will give just border left and border top to be none. So for that purpose, let's do it. Border left like this. Over here, border left, none. Same for the border top, none. So now it looks like my head, looks like my legs, but it is still not attached to my egg. So for that purpose, I will write like a margin top and margin right. That's it. Margin top is gonna be my 10 pixel minus 10 pixels. So now it looks like that it is attached with my egg, and then I want to make a some kind of space between two legs. So for that purpose I'll give margin to the right side like a 20 pixel, and that's it. So guys, we have created our first project using just CSS and some kind of pseudo element. That's it. So this is it, guys. This is it for the today's video. So next video we are gonna make one animation video so you can understand animation very better. So see you in the next video. So this is a project that we have done with the CSS. Thank you so much for watching me, and thank you for your support. I will post this code to my GitHub repository, and I will also link my GitHub repository link in the description center. So you will take a code whenever you are stuck with the practice that you are doing it right now. So you will take a code from there. Thank you.